I'm Cody Sharpless with Ben Stout Construction. You're going to do 2 walkthroughs when you purchase one of our homes. You're going to do the initial walkthrough in which you go through and blue tape. A lot of times it's referred to as a blue tape walkthrough. That's your time to bring up any concerns you may have, get familiar with the home, and then point out any cosmetic defects that you see in the home. You'll be accompanied with a Ben Stout Construction representative. Most likely, that will be our construction manager who built the home, or it could be one of our real estate agents. After initial walkthrough, or the blue tape walkthrough, there's about a week in between the initial and the final walkthrough. Typically, final walkthrough takes place on the day of closing. So just before your closing, you'll go to the house and verify that all the concerns that you pointed out in the first walkthrough have been addressed. Though we hope that everything is done 100%, if you come across something that hasn't been addressed, just bring it up to the Ben Stout Construction representative that's there with you. They'll annotate it on your walkthrough sheet, and we'll ensure that it gets taken place, hopefully before you actually make it to the closing table. But if not, it should be done in a shorter amount of time afterwards.